Let's talk about what you're going to learn in this course. The purpose of the course is to get you all the way from the beginning of knowing nothing about Teespring all the way to launching your very first profitable t-shirt campaign. We're going to start by going through what exactly are good ideas for t-shirts and where you can find those ideas. I'll show you exactly where you can go to find viral ideas that people already like and share that you can use on a t-shirt right away. I'll go over how you can hire a designer to do all these designs for you. Most of these designers are very inexpensive. You can get this done for as little as $5. I'll show you exactly how to upload your first t-shirt campaign. And then I'll show you how to get that t-shirt campaign in front of the right people using your first Facebook ad. And then we'll talk about how to scale your successes. In other words, how to take your initial campaign and turn it into a big success. And then we'll talk about some of the most common mistakes people make in Teespring. And then we'll finish off with some resources that you can use to further your education and hit bigger and bigger campaigns. So let's go ahead and get started.